Good day, everyone. I'm your small Ika Licious. So for today's video, I will share to you my 7 step in applying as a helper in Hong Kong. The 7 step is called TESDA training, and it's called Domestic Work NC2. What do you mean by NC2? That is called National Certificate Level 2. So this time, there are 4 competencies in domestic work in TESDA training. COC1 is called clean the bathroom, dining room, bedroom, kitchen, and toilet. COC2, we have wash and iron clothes, linen, and fabrics. COC3, prepare hot and cold meals. COC4, provide food and beverages services. So in this video, let's focus first on COC1. Okay, so that is clean the bathroom. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. Please listen and look at carefully. Transition. Ayan na. So let's get my go. So this time I will share to you my experiences in my TESDA training cleaning the bathroom. So first, gather all the materials, diba? So what are the materials in cleaning the bathroom? First, we have gloves. Make sure to wear the gloves kasi muntik na akong bumagsak dyan. Nakalimutan ko siyang isuot. Okay, don't forget gloves. Number 2, cobwebber. Para saan ang cobwebber? Panglinis ng ceiling para matanggal yung mga agyo. Third, squingy and glass cleaner. Panglinis yan sa window, sa bintana. Kung may bintana na malaki or maliit, pwedeng-pwede yung panglinis. Next, for toilet brush, yung toilet brush is panglinis lang yan sa inner part or loob ng toilet bowl. Okay? Pag ginamit nyo yan sa labas ng toilet bowl, goodbye assessment. Goodbye training. Hindi, baka bumagsak kayo. So please, gamitin ng maayos ang mga materials. Galit? Okay, so next we have tabo ang timba. Ayan, tabo ang timba, napaka-importante niyan dahil dyan natin titimplahin ang juice. Hindi, joke lang. Doon po natin titimplahin yung clorox at saka yung powder, okay? Na panglinis natin sa bathroom, syempre. Next is rugs and wiper. Ayan, ito din, importante ito talaga kasi ito po ay pang dry. Dry, parang ako dry na dry. Arlot, hindi ako dry, no? Ayan, so dry, pang dry yun sa floor, okay, sa bathroom. Rugs and wiper. Okay, then, ito na, next is yung ano now, don't forget yung mga detergent, powder, Domex, Clorox, Bleach. Okay, napaka-importante niyan. Then, we also have Air Freshener. Parang si Crush, fresh na fresh. Okay, guys. So, yun yung mga materials. So, always prepare the materials. So, prepare na lahat. Ngayon naman, let's focus on the procedures. Okay? So, listen carefully, guys. Titigan nyo ako. Parang titig nyo sa jowa nyo. Sa asawa nyo. Charlotte lang, guys. Okay. So, first procedure we have wear the gloves. Again, muntik na akong bumagsak dyan, okay? Wear the gloves. Number 2, knock the door 3 times. Bakit nga ba ginagawa yung knock the door 3 times? Courtesy kasi dun sa gumagamit. Respeto lang yun, okay? Next, open the lights and window. Napaka-importante niyan para makita natin ng maayos yung nililinisan natin. Minsan ngayon sa abroad, di ba, yung mga amo medyo meticuloso. Next, punta tayo dun sa toilet bowl, okay? dun sa toilet bowl, flush the toilet 3 times then. Pag na-flush mo na, babadan mo siya ng bleach or powder, ganon. Babadan mo para matanggal yung mga germs dun sa loob ng toilet bowl. Then, habang napagbabad ka dun sa toilet bowl, mag-mix ka na ng powder and Zonrox dun sa may timba na may tubig. Okay? So, after that, ibalabas mo na lahat ng mga basurahan, mga halaman or cabinet na meron doon or furnitures doon sa loob ng bathroom para hindi siya madumihan lalo, okay? Tapos hindi sagabal sa paglilinis. So, nailabas mo na yun na mag-start ka na. Always remember, sa paglilinis ng bathroom, mag-umpisa sa taas, then baba. So, magka-cobwebber tayo. So, cobwebber, pa-square yun, corner by corner yung panglilinis. Then, tapos na sa ceiling, punta ka dun sa wall, sponge the wall. Okay, syempre, isawsaw mo na yung sponge dun sa may timba na may sabon at clorox. Tapos, sponge the wall, sink, and cabinet or bathtub. Ayan, linis, 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 linis. Then, clean the outer part of the toilet bowl using the sponge. Okay? Then, after that, clean the inner part of the toilet bowl using the toilet brush. Dun sa loob, toilet brush. Don't use the toilet brush sa panglinis sa upuan ng bowl or sa labas ng bowl. Wag na wag, sponge lang doon, okay? Yung toilet brush dun lang sa loob. Okay, next. So, okay na yung sa toilet bowl. Ngayon naman, yung natirang tubig doon sa may timba, ibuhos mo yun sa floor ng bathroom. Then, you use the push brush para gisgisin mo or linisan mo mabuti yung floor. So, nasabo mo na yung floor. Ngayon naman, magbanlaw na po tayo. Yung banlaw, wasik-wasik lang yan. Gamit yung tabo, wasik-wasik. Tapos, nabanlawan ng mabuti yung mga dapat banlawan na part ng bathroom. Ngayon naman, patuyuin na natin gamit ang rugs and wiper. Patuyuing mabuti. Okay? You should be neat. It should be neat and clean yung bathroom talaga. And after that, napatuyo mo na is mag-air freshener ka na para mabangong-bango parang si asawa mo. Arlot. Okay. So, mabango na yung bathroom. So, that's it. Yung procedure for cleaning the bathroom. Okay, I hope you learned something for this video. Don't forget to comment down below for questions and suggestions. And please subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.